Hi, welcome back. Today we're learning healthy fruit salad using Greek yogurt. These are the ingredients that you will need for your healthy fruit salad. Let's begin. First, wash the fruits that you'll be using for your fruit salad. I'm using apples and grapes, but you can use whatever you have available or whatever fruit you wish. Begin by cutting your fruits. Here I am cutting my apples. If you need a refresher on how to properly prepare and cut your apples into parmentier or medium-sized cuts, just revisit our previous video on the basic knife cuts. And now we are preparing our grapes. Make sure to cut them in half so that all their juices will come out once we are eating our salad. If you are using grapes with seeds, you can remove the seeds at this step. And now we are ready for mixing. So mix all your fruits together. If you have more than 2 kinds of fruits, that's well and good. I am now adding almonds into my salad to create a crunch. So I crushed them a little bit. And I'm now adding some chocolates in order to introduce some bitterness and deepness of flavor. And now adding my yogurt. This will serve as my cream. This is why it will be a healthier version than as opposed to using full fat cream with condensed milk. I am using Greek yogurt that is already flavored with honey. If it's just plain Greek yogurt, you can add a tablespoon to 2 tablespoons of honey depending on the sweetness that you prefer. Just scoop it over a container and top it with a piece of dark chocolate, and there you have our healthy fruit salad. You can also store it in a microwavable or airtight container for further use or for keeping. I've also included the toppings here. I hope you enjoy our healthy fruit salad. There you have it, our healthy fruit salad that uses Greek yogurt. I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you for watching. Bye!